In this video, I'm going to show you how you can lower your ping in Fortnite. So I'm going to show you different methods how you can do this. Make sure to apply each and every method to find out which works best for you. So the first method will be checking your network adapters. So if you see at the lower left side of your screen, you will be able to see here the search box of Windows. So you're going to type into this search box for device manager. As you can see here, device manager from control panel, just click on that. And then you're going to expand this section network adapters. Once you have done that, you can just choose the network adapter you're using and just right click on that and then click on properties. After that, you need to switch to driver section from here. Then if you are able to see this option update driver, you can just click on that. But if it's grayed out like mine, it means you have the latest version of your driver. Once you have checked that, you can close this and then you can try changing your DNS server, as this is something Epic Games also recommend. So for this, what you're going to do is you're going to click on your start menu and then you can click on settings. After that, you will be able to see here all of these sections, and in here you can click on network and internet. Then you're going to scroll down and click on change adapter options. Then you're going to double click on the internet connection you're using, and after that just click on properties. And in here you're going to make sure that internet protocol version 4 is enabled, and you're going to double click on that and then change obtain DNS server address to use the following DNS server. Then you're going to type in here the same values as mine. In the first line you're going to type in 8.8.8.8, and in the second line you're going to type in 8.8.4.4. and once you have done that, you can click on OK. Then you can close all of your windows and restart your PC from here. And once you restart your PC, I hope the ping in your game is reduced.